Good day to all employer. My name is Rosemary Sardinia, 37 years old, single, a mother of two kids, a 6 years old girl and a 4 years old boy. My highest educational attainment is first year college, picking up business and office management, and I am from Santo Tomas, Batangas, Philippines. My 2 years experience as domestic helper in Middle East, Kuwait City, I serve 5 members of the family. My duties and responsibility is doing household chores like laundry, ironing, cooking, cleaning, and taking care of the 3 kids. A 5 years old, a 3 years old, and a 7 months old. My second experience in the Philippines is taking care of 3 years old baby, a girl, half Egyptian, half Filipino. And my third experience is as a nanny. I am taking care of 8 months old. I am trustworthy, loyal, honest, dedicated, hardworking, and willing to learn the task given. And if you will hire me, I, I'll do my best to do my duties and promise to finish my contract and work with you as long as you need me. Thank you. Have a nice day.